You searched how to buy shares of Werner Enterprises Inc., a transportation and logistics company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WERN. This is an educational overview only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you will need a broker, and we use eToro here as a neutral example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker WERN to locate Werner Enterprises. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing so you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you will find basic company details and a price chart showing recent movements. Confirm that the page references Werner Enterprises Inc. and the WERN ticker before moving on. To invest, click the Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the trade. Once the trade executes, your WERN position will appear in your portfolio view. A link to the eToro example is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform further.